This is the way to explore, watching the world, gazing in awe. Journey through beauty, stopping to see wonders before us, wandering free. Secrets are told as stories unfold. Treasure the memories, precious as gold. This is the way to explore. Adventure awaits like never before. Great rail journeys, inspiring adventures for hundreds of tours worldwide. Call for a brochure or go online.